Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about Milne-Thomson method, which is very important part of complex analysis. In this method, if f is a complex variable function, that is we take fz is equal to uxy plus iota into vxy, where uxy and vxy are the real and imaginary part of the function f respectively. Here it is also assumed that f is analytic. Therefore, by necessary condition for fz to be analytic, we can say that f satisfies CR equation, that is Cauchy-Riemann equation. Cauchy-Riemann equation means here we know that u and v are the real and imaginary part of the function f. By Cauchy-Riemann equation, we say that qx is equal to vy and qy is equal to minus vx, where ux is partial derivative of u with respect to the variable x and uy is partial derivative of the function u with respect to y. Similarly, vy is equal to partial derivative of the function v with respect to the variable y and vx is equal to partial derivative of the function v with respect to x. Now, if we differentiate the function f, then we differentiate it with respect to x and we get qx x comma y plus I into vx x comma y. This is equal to ux x comma y. Using the CR equation, we says that vx is equal to minus uy, that is minus iota into uy xy. Now z is equal to, we take x plus iota y, thus z bar is equal to x minus iota into y. Therefore, z plus z bar is equal to 2x, implies x is equal to z plus z bar divided by 2. Similarly, z minus z bar is equal to 2 into iota into y, implies y is equal to z minus z bar divided by 2 into iota. Now, we have already calculated that f dash z is equal to ux xy minus iota into uy xy. Now, putting the value of x and y in terms of z and z bar, we get ux z plus z bar by 2, z minus z bar by 2 into iota minus iota into uy z plus z bar by 2, z minus z bar divided by 2 into iota. Now, put z bar is equal to z, we get f dash z is equal to ux z0 minus iota into uy z0. Now, integrating, we get f dash z dz is equal to qx z0 minus iota into uy z0. C is integrating constant which is arbitrary. This implies the function f z is equal to integration phi 1 z0 minus iota into phi 2 z0 dz plus c, where phi 1 z0 is equal to ux z0 and phi 2 z0 is equal to uy z0. So, using this, we can find a complex variable function f when only the real part of the function is given. Similarly, using Milne-Thomson method, we can find a complex variable function when only the imaginary part phi xy of the function is given. Then f z is equal to integration psi 1 z0 plus iota into psi 2 z0 dz plus c, where psi 1 z0 is equal to phi y z0 and psi 2 z0 is equal to phi x z0. So, using this, we find a function, complex variable function f, when only imaginary part of the function is given, and using this, we can find a complex variable function f when only real part of the function is given. This is Milne-Thomson method.